everyone, welcome back to another episode of Lifetime Travel Mates. My name is Hyekyong and behind the camera is no one right now, but usually it's Jordi and together we are the Lifetime Travel Mates. And today we're going to make Japchae. Japchae is a stir-fried glass noodle with vegetables. If you go to a party like housewarming party, birthday party, or if you have a very important guest in your house, you always make japchae. You don't make these like every day, so it's a very special food. I've never made japchae in my life, and I was really surprised that some of you actually suggested me to cook japchae. So I'm going to make it for you. I mean, for myself also and Jordi, but it's going to be really fun. Really fun. Oh my god,
Perfect.
it's gonna work. Japchae is normally made with these sweet potato noodles, but I couldn't find the sweet potato noodles, the glass noodle here in India. Instead, I could find this potato starch. So I'm gonna try to make the noodles from scratch. So I have no idea how it's going to turn out. If you want to know how to make glass noodle from scratch, please stay around. I will show you later. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so these are all the ingredients that we need for japchae. We have shiitake mushroom. I soaked in the water 2 hours ago. Button mushrooms, egg, and spinach. Also spring onion, carrot, onion, and a little bit of paprika. And we have beef here. If you're vegetarian and you don't want to put any meat, you can just substitute it with more mushrooms. And we're gonna start with marinating the beef with shiitake mushroom. I'm not really sure what part of beef this is, but I just found the chunk of beef in the supermarket, so I just got it. We're gonna cut this into a little bit like small pieces because we're gonna put it in a japchae. I don't want this to be big. It doesn't cut well.
Yeah, we definitely need a better knife for this.
It's gonna take some time, guys. Oh, Caesar might be better. It's easier. It's done. Yay! Okay, so now I'm gonna cut the shiitake mushroom. I'm gonna remove the water first. I'm gonna cut it in small pieces and put this together with the beef. Okay, now let's mix. Wow, this looks nice. Okay, so we're gonna leave it for a while, and meanwhile we're gonna prepare other ingredients. And we need an egg yolk. Okay, wish me good luck. Well, this is a very small amount, so I think I'm gonna use one more egg. And turn off. Now let's prepare one of my favorite vegetables, spinach. Let's season the spinach. Smells so good. I really want to eat right now, but I'm not going to do that today. little bit of paprika. And don't forget our egg yolk. Mushrooms. Alright, so now the vegetables are all cut and ready. So now we're going to stir fry it one by one. Smells so good. Guys, finally let's stir fry the beef. Smells so good. Oh my god. Alright, so the beef is ready, but it's still a bit too big, so I'm gonna cut a little bit. Okay, so all the vegetables and meats are cooked. So now let's make the noodles! I'm not sure how long I need to be doing this. Okay, now I'm gonna use my hand to make the dough. Okay, I'm not sure if we need some more water. Seems fine. Look at this! Look how elastic it is now. I'm not a professional and I don't know how to knead. I've never done it before. Oh well, actually I did a little bit when I was making like chapati. That was my first time. But I'm just following what I've just seen on YouTube. Okay, I've done this almost like 7 minutes and still it shows a little bit like lumps or kind of bubble thing. So I'm gonna do a bit more, maybe 2 to 3 minutes more. Alright, now it looks quite nice, so I'm gonna start roll a little bit. I should have bought some big roller, but we only have this, so I'm gonna use this. I hope it doesn't stick. Oh my god, look at this! It got so big! Oh, look at this! Alright guys, we're done! It still looks a bit thicker than noodles we use for japchae, but I'm tired, so I'm just gonna go with this. I mean, you can try and make it thinner, but I'm just gonna go with this size. Is it done? Okay, let me try a little bit. So chewy. Yum. Alright, I think the texture is perfect, and like I said, I should have made it a bit thinner just to get closer to the size of the Dangmyeon we use for japchae, but still the texture wise it's really nice. I think you guys can try making it like a bit thinner. Alright, so I'm gonna put this with other vegetables and finally mix all together.
noodles are big. It's like udon noodles. Okay. Hands or?
Oh, sorry.
Smells legit, I think. And the noodles are big. Finally, japchae. Oh my god, the noodles are thick. It's one of those dishes. I mean, these noodles. It's really hard to chew.
Oh my god.
No. It's easy to chew. You know, I used to eat the noodles like swallowing. You know, I barely chew them. It's like, and then swallow. But these are really thick, so it feels like, I don't know, like swallowing some boba pearl or something that you rather chew it a bit and break it. No. Flavor-wise, it's really good. Anybody can eat this. It's not spicy. Don't be afraid of this. Noodles are not exactly like the real japchae, except the noodles, all the ingredients are very juicy, and whenever you chew them, they release some juice. Very nice. The mushrooms. Plus, isn't it supposed to be warm, hot, or?
Yeah, it's because it took so long to make the noodles. That's why.
And it's a nice dish because it's not very spicy. It's mostly about it's very savory and, you know, the sesame oil. I'm so happy because japchae is one of my favorite Korean dishes, and whenever we go to Hyekyong's parents' place, my parents-in-law, Hyekyong's mom makes an amazing japchae that I never had anything like that in any other place. So I'm very happy that Hyekyong, the daughter, inherited the skills to make japchae. Good job. Yeah.
It doesn't look like Dangmyeon. It looks like some kind of like noodle cuisine or something, but yeah, let's try. Nice, but the noodles are so chewy, like.
It's hard to talk, right? You have to chew first. Don't try to swallow too soon.
I have no idea. Maybe I cooked too long, or
No, too short, in any case.
I mean the texture is chewy, but too chewy. Maybe I should have cooked it a bit longer and maybe a bit thinner. Cause it's a super chewy. Oh my god, it's a bit cold. Cause I didn't expect that it would take long time to make the noodles. So I suggest you to make the noodles first, then start cooking other vegetables. Then it will keep it a bit warm. I don't think I can eat all the noodles. It's a lot. I'm still chewing.
I know. It takes long time chewing these guys.
Flavor is really nice.
Yeah, I agree with that.
The soy sauce, the sesame oil, the sesame seeds, everything is really nice. Just the noodle is a little bit missing point here.
Right? Are you gonna give up now?
Oh, but nice. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this episode, please click like and share this video with your friends and family. And if it's your first time here, please make sure to subscribe to our channel so we can make more videos like this. Okay, so we will see you guys next time. Bye! 안녕! Eating too much. Huh? How many cans are you gonna consume one day? Huh? Look at this belly. Huh? Belly. And now it's raining, you barely exercise. Huh? What do you think? You still think you need to eat now? Or go back to sleep?